Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this section where we are is between Harborview and Bull Bay. This is the existing road that was here before, and this bridge was the bridge you would use. However, it's a two-lane bridge, so they built another bridge on the other side to make it 4-lane, to make an additional 2 lanes. It was easier to build a new bridge than to expand this bridge. So this side of the road will be 2 lanes, and then the other bridge, we're going to drive on it in a little bit, will be 2 lanes. So straight ahead it looks like they're moving the light poles. So we're just going to show you guys what's going on. Now this section of the highway between Harborview and Yalos is 4 lanes. So the existing 2 lanes that were the main road before are being expanded to 4 lanes. So as a result of that, a lot of light poles have to be moved, because the light poles were by the road, and they need more space for the road now because the road is going to be 4 lanes. Actually, it's not only light poles that had to be moved. A lot of buildings had also to be moved, including the Bull Bay police station. And there you can see China Harbor Engineering Company workers. They are in charge of this section of the highway. They're actually in charge of the entire highway project, but in some sections they have subcontracted out the work to local subcontractors. But this section between Harborview and Yalos, China Harbor Engineering Company is doing the actual work. There is no subcontractor for this section basically. Alright, so that's what's going on out here. Okay, so remember now, the highway is 4 lanes. So at this point, you have 2 lanes on this side of the bridge, and then 2 lanes on the other bridge. So we're just going to drive around and show you what's going on. So at this point now, you can turn here left and go back on the other side of the highway, or you can continue straight, and then there you have you reconnect. The highway reconnects to 4 lanes up there. So right here is 2 lanes, and then straight ahead, if we went straight but we're going to turn, it goes back to 4 lanes. And this was only done because of the bridge. So this side now, and we're going to show you though. Actually, we could probably drive around and no. Alright, this is the other side where it has the other 2 lane, or the other bridge. So over there is 1 bridge. This is the new bridge that they built to accommodate the other 2 lanes. And this is the only section basically where the road splits like this. And over here is where they were working on the light poles. Now they're hoping to get this entire section of the road finished by December. all 4 lanes, but they're also hoping to get 2 lanes finished between Harborview and Yallows by the end of August. Now between Harborview and Yallows, it's 4 lanes, and it's going to have a Jersey barrier, just like what you see here, all the way. At some points, there's a break in the Jersey barrier, like right here, which they have done intentionally for people being able to turn. And this is a construction site. And you notice there's nobody directing traffic, no flag person, you don't even see detour signs, which is really surprising. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today as we give you the update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. We'll give you weekly updates on this project until the end of August. So remember to like, share and subscribe as we keep you up to date on what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Have a good day.